My birdie, my flitty, my tweety loves carrots and cabbage. I just gave them boiled carrots, not actually steamed carrot, and I just cut them into tiny pieces, and also some cabbage leaves. I just washed them really well, and then I just put it in the plate mixed with carrots and some seeds. I just spreaded some millets in there. And today is the first day they're eating cabbage with carrots, and it's the second day they're eating carrots. So it looks like they love it. I am so happy that they're enjoying the food. So I took all their regular foods away for 45 minutes, and looks like they're hungry, so they just came to this plate and started eating their food. So I've taken them pretty well. It's wonderful.